Wait, this sounds really good. Okay, dude, for the Sonnet today, here's what I'm thinking. Oh, I was like, what is that? I've never seen that on it. All right, here's what I'm thinking. We're gonna do silver top, polycarbonate bottom, right? We're gonna do solder PCB, and then I'm gonna let you guys pick from literally all these freaking plates, dude. All these plates. The question is, like, really, what do you guys think would pair well with GAT inks? And like, this is completely up to you guys. This build is completely up to chat. I'm doing this in conjunction with Mode. They want it basically to show off some more, like, some just variety with these things. And I think Diego might have done GAT inks already, but we'll try some different combos out. Now, we've done alu before. Just so everyone's aware, we've done aluminum. The shirt I'm wearing looks like noise grain a little bit. We're gonna do PC with copper weight, yeah, and a silver top. We could go with a dark gray top today, but I'm thinking we do silver. Palm could be really fun with the inks. We can see. All right, we'll do palm. Yeah, I don't want to do something we've already kind of showcased. I'd rather get some variety up in here. Out of the 2 plates I've played so far, or plated or whatever so far, I think I actually preferred the alu the first time than the FR4/carbon fiber. But this could also be a great choice depending on how we like. Okay, the reason why I liked the aluminum before was because the long pull switches really helped with that. Like, I really liked it. And I didn't like quite the plasticky sound with that. I preferred more of the metallic sound with the long pull switches. But I think this will actually be a really good combination today. And then we have our weight that we're gonna be doing. If it wants to focus, there we go. Again, I don't know if they changed this for the final build. This is still my prototype one. I would have loved to see this on this side. I think they ended up fixing that or changing it. But like, low key, this is the nicer, cooler side, and they gave you this to look at. I understand why though. And then we have this, we're doing a little titanium boy. I don't know what keycaps that we're gonna use. Gorgeous internal weight. Yeah. I'm late. What color Sonnet are we using today? We're doing a silver and polycarbonate one. But oh yeah, the monitor, like the studio display is absolutely insane too. So right now, like what I'm using, my whole editing rig is a Mac Studio display. And then I'm using Photoshop and like mostly Adobe products, which have been working great on this. Do you know if there will be a Canadian vendor for the Sonnet? No, nothing like that moves. I know, it'd be nice, dude. I agree, it would be nice. Cyber might go well with it. We'll see what we put on this today. I don't know what we're gonna do for keycaps. I'm still undecided. I kind of also want to do something maybe super neutral today to kind of let everything else shine nicely. Okay. Here's my little cheat code for you guys. If you guys end up not using your mid-plate foam or have other mid-plate foam, just stick the mid-plate foam underneath the PCB, opposed to using the stack mount. I actually did that with my other one, and no one said it sounded foamy. Like, it sounds really good, because I think there's lots of space for the sound to not be super absorbed by the foam. Actually, my little hack with that's what's in the green one that you guys have always really liked. I don't think I used mid-plate foam on that one there. I can't remember my exact foam config, but I put the mid-plate foam on the bottom and it sounded fantastic. But we'll try no foam first, and then if I dislike this, we'll put foam. I don't think we'll need it though. I think we're already gonna have like a pretty soft sound signature because of this. Tangerines and a palm plate, that's a good combination, honestly. I have no quarrels with that combination. Tangies are actually really nice, just a little expensive. CNC acrylic is such a nice and cheap hack for good foam builds. Yeah, that too. Something teal would look good. Ooh, it actually looks really nice with the PE plate. I got some fingerprints there, unfortunately. I find with PE plates, it's hard to get those fingerprints out, but looks like Future Funk's winning. All right, let me go find Future Funk. Future Funk. We're actually have to take some of it off the link. Whoa. All right, let's see what this sounds like, dude. I'm I I don't feel like reaching for my cable right now, guys. So we're dealing with no cable right now. I'll have to reach for it in a second here, but let's just do a fake typing test as we normally do anyways. So these are GAT inks with 20520 in them. Stock springs, well, just lubed springs. Palm plate, mid plate foam. We're using the top mount on this. Wait, this sounds really good. It definitely has a little bit more of a foam sound signature, but obviously we did use some foam. But it has some character out. Yeah, that sounds nice. This was a good pairing. Yeah, this is definitely a nice little pairing here, guys. I really do think, though, if we switch this to stack mount, this will sound dead. It could be the polycarb with the weight inside helping this too. Okay. And this is actually a really cool looking board too, like this. Chroma hits different with Future Funk. It definitely has a little bit of flex, as you guys can see too. And yeah, Storm, unfortunately I can't do it. Oh, versus the Corsa? I mean, very different builds. I'll plug the Corsa. Very different. The Corsa is going to sound completely different here. So very, very different IMO. I think both sound good. Oddly enough, I'm kind of like, I like the spacebar sound of the Sonnet a little bit more, I think. But I think that's really it. I can revisit the R3 Space, maybe. I have a few client ones coming in soon too. I actually don't know, Mantis. I believe if you ordered today, it should tell you on the website, but from what I understand, it might be a bit, because I think other orders are being fulfilled still. Ultimately though, like I'm kind of into this GAT ink build that we did today. I still a little bit prefer the other one, but again, I don't have keycaps on the other one right now. But yeah, I actually really like this GAT ink combo, and usually I don't like GAT inks. Usually I'm not into them. Considering timeline on a normal group buy is super fast, yeah, considering. The anno finish is good, and this is a prototype unit as well, so take care everyone, love you guys, enjoy Tiny Stream, and bye-bye. This was a good pairing.